Recently, Canva announced Canva Email, giving everyone the ability to design and send email campaigns with Canva. Okay, so my focus today is to walk you through this new Canva feature and share how you can create your own email campaigns with Canva and send them via multiple different options. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here we are inside of Canva. Now, if you're completely new to Canva, simply head over to your browser and type in canva.com, or feel free to click on the link in the description below this video, and that's going to take you here. Once you've signed up or signed in, you'll be taken to your home interface. Okay, so let's quickly run through what we're going to cover today. I'm first going to quickly show you how to build an email campaign from scratch so that you understand the different actions and elements that you can leverage. Then we'll quickly build an email campaign using a template. That way you'll have a good idea of the structure of your email campaigns. Then I'll share how you can send a test email and how you can automatically connect your Gmail account in order to send this visual email campaign from inside Gmail. Following this, we'll connect Mailchimp, which is an email marketing platform, and I'll share how this integration works so that you can send your email campaign to your audience inside Mailchimp. Okay, so with that covered, let's dive in. Now, to create an email campaign with Canva, simply navigate over to this search bar and type in email, or click on this email icon over here. Now, to create an email campaign from scratch, we can simply add elements from the left-hand side. For example, this image here. And we can also click on the email campaign to start adding text. Now, you'll notice the design interface for building email campaigns is slightly different across other designs inside of Canva. You can see it's more structured. For example, let's click here and navigate down to body and start adding the text body. It's important to have this structure so that your email campaigns are responsive across different email clients and across devices. Now let's click here again and see what else we can add. We can leverage AI to create text, create a structured design. For example, let's choose from these different templates and click on save. And navigate across here, we can add heading 1, subheader 2, body content, table, sheet, and these other elements here like a page break, bullet points, as well as columns, and more down here. For example, we can also add a button that links to a destination. So when an email recipient opens up this email campaign, they can click the link and that's going to take them to the destination link. Let's click done and then navigate over to settings. And then navigate over to design. Let's go ahead and create an email campaign using a template. Type in a keyword related to the type of campaign you want to create. I'm going to type in business and let's add this template here. I'm going to replace the current page and let's navigate through this entire template. You can see we have text here we can edit, as well as a header, more text, an image, we can replace this, and then other structured text down here. Simply replace the content with your own content, as well as leverage the editing bar up here. With the images, for example, we can replace the images by simply clicking on an image, dragging and dropping that image. If we navigate down, again, we can add other elements by simply clicking here, quick actions, and add the elements we want to add. Again, like a button, a timer, emojis, as well as these other elements and actions. Okay, let's close out of this. When you're happy with your email design, your email campaign, we can navigate up to send test email. Canva allows us to quickly send a test email campaign. Add the subject line in here for this email campaign, test the side hustle campaign, and this is my email, which is linked to my Canva account. Let's go ahead and send a test email. And as you can see, the test email has been sent. Let's go ahead and preview that inside our inbox to ensure all looks good before sending this email to our email recipients. And here's the preview of the email sent to our inbox. You can see we have the subject up here, test the side hustle campaign. And now let's navigate through this campaign. You can see how clean and structured this email campaign is. You want to make sure that you test out all the different links if you've linked different web destinations. Okay, so I'm happy with this. Let's jump back into Canva, and we can also navigate up to share. And then we have a few options for sending this email campaign. We can connect Gmail and send this email campaign from our Gmail account. We can also connect Mailchimp for sending bulk email campaigns, or we can download this campaign as an HTML file and add that to an email campaign. If we click on See All, that's going to take us back up to Share, and we have these other options down here. However, because this is an email campaign, we mainly want to focus on Send Test Email, Gmail, Mailchimp, and Download. Let's first go ahead and connect Gmail. click on Connect Gmail, and once you've navigated through the process of connecting your Google account, we can export to Gmail. And that's going to redirect you to your Gmail account, and that's going to automatically compose a new email with your Canva email campaign. Simply add to your email recipients and then edit the subject line if you like. It will pull in the name of your email campaign. Quickly preview this email campaign first before hitting send or scheduling this email. Now let's navigate back to Canva. Hey guys, just quickly, did you know that over 90% of you that enjoy our free educational content have not yet subscribed? It would mean a lot to me if you drop a comment or hit subscribe if you love what I'm creating. This helps us grow the channel and motivates me to create bigger and more impactful tutorials for you to consume for free. Okay, so with that happy note, thank you in advance, and let's get back to the video. And click on share again. This time, let's go ahead and click on Mailchimp and export this email campaign into Mailchimp. This will allow us to send this email campaign as a broadcast from inside Mailchimp. Click on download and then go ahead and open up Mailchimp. And that's going to instantly take you here. Come down and click on add file, locate the file that you just downloaded from Canva, and then click on continue. And that's going to take you to this interface, where you can select the audience, the email list that you want to send this email campaign to. You can then add your subject line, your from address, as well as select the time that you want to send this email campaign. Over on the right hand side, you can see a preview of your email campaign that you created within Canva. I suggest sending a test email first before clicking send and sending this bulk email campaign to your Mailchimp audience. Now, if you're completely new to Mailchimp, this email marketing platform, I will add relevant resources and tutorials down below in the description to help you learn more about this powerful and popular email marketing platform. Okay, now that we've covered the simple process of sending your email campaign from Gmail as well as from Mailchimp, let's jump back inside Canva and then navigate up to share, and we can also download this email campaign. If you're interested in learning how to download and create HTML email campaigns and manually adding these to your email client, then I'll add that tutorial down below in the description. This is for those that use a different email client like Outlook, Titan, Neo, or another service. Okay, let's close out of this. And that is how you can simply leverage Canva to quickly build email campaigns and send them to your audience using a few different third-party integrations. If you're interested in diving deeper into new Canva tools and features, I will add relevant tutorials down below in the description for you to check out. And there we have it for this Canva email tutorial. Now, if you have any questions about this tutorial, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.